In Max Tegmark's book, Our Mathematical Universe, he introduces us to the concept of the multiverse. Sure, Marvel's movie Doctor Strange Into the Multiverse has some great animation on how it could be, with each universe having its own laws and characteristics, like existing as paint. But that's Hollywood. Max breaks the multiverse into 4 different levels and explains how we could be just one of many universes with our own unique laws and features. Here's a quick take on each level. And check out the book in the link in the description. In level 1, the universe is infinite in size and goes beyond our observable universe, which is limited by light. Extending on the concept of cosmic inflation, he suggests that our observable universe is just a small part of a much larger, continuously expanding universe. In level 2, with continuous expansion comes the idea of pocket universes. In each different pocket universe, they can form variations in their early development, giving different regions their own distinct properties. Each pocket follows its own set of laws and can have different values for fundamental constants. In level 3, Max takes us deeper into the mathematical structures of the universe. Going beyond the pocket universes, the underlying laws that make up these pocket universes exist as mathematical structures. These structures are classified as their own separate universes. They are independent of each other and can have vastly different physical laws. In level 4, the core of the multiverse is described as the ultimate ensemble. At this level, all the mathematical structures that can exist, do exist. Since it's a realm of all possibilities of every possible mathematical structure, is it the all-encompassing multiverse. Max Tegmark's book Our Mathematical Universe also gives us a great history lesson on how math was used in different cultures and how it has deepened our understanding of the world around us. He also tackles the ideas of consciousness and anthropic principles and where they fit in the universe. If you're interested in taking a deep dive into something different in the world of cosmology, Max's book is a great place to start.